the sign pictures aren't doing well.
Shoes.
They're so cute. Don't be too excited.
I know what it is.
What are they?
Spellies.
What are they called?
Spellies. Mother.
Hot cider. Here, let me help you.
Open it.
Exciting.
Oh. Thank you.
What is that
I
thing?
love Justin Bieber.
It's a little big, don't you think?
I wanted it before the trip.
Wow.
Try them on.
I like this.
I don't know. So you said you wanted.
Let me see. These.
Stand up. Oh, they're cute.
Kind of big.
Are they too big for you?
Yeah, they're kind of big.
Walk that way and see.
You feel big.
What are you going to prep
Or
school?
1.5. Should I get you a 1?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Mhm.
Or do you like the other ones that tie better?
I better.
You don't like those?
Teen, you like these?
You don't want these? 'Cause I think Anne's
Her girly shoes?
I want to
You don't
see.
like these?
I want to see them. You don't know.
Well, try
Your
this one
finger's
on.
in front of it.
Where? Where, Dad?
Right here.
You look weird.
What's up, punk?
Look